have a 2018 Ford Focus ST. Pretty clean overall. Don't mind the background. We got a lot of construction going on. It's a used car. Alright, so it has a nice flat bottom steering wheel. Nice little grip on the steering wheel. Stitched. Got the boost gauge right there. And also I got oil pressure and oil temp. Six-speed manual. The small little screen. It's not a big car, but it's a sports car, so you can't really expect it to be that big. Back seats are right size. Got the e-brake right here. Pedals are pretty nice, but they're dirty right now. Don't mind that. Window toggle switch, high beams, trunk. Got the turn signals. High beam. I guess those are fog lights. My bad. Windshield washer. Window switches are on the door panels. Glove box, decent size. So let's start her up. Alright, so let's start her up. I don't know if you gotta press the clutch in or not, but let's see. Nope, yeah, you gotta press the clutch. Start. So gearing's pretty a little stiff. I don't know if it's stock or not because it's a used trade-in. But reverse, you gotta adjust it. You gotta lift up this thing right here, and then go up. Since it's a 6-speed, you got traction control. Probably move it over there. It's low on gas, so can't really go anywhere. So here's a view of the speedometer. Has the miles right there. Trip. Got the fuel economy. Distance to empty. Trip timer. All of them. The speed. So here's what we got: the radio, media, Bluetooth audio. We got the scroll buttons right here. Bluetooth and mobile app. The menu. So I think it has a backup camera. Yes, it does. Pretty clear. Also has the guidelines. Here's the climate control. Pretty basic. You got 2 cup holders. Got a decent sized water bottle. Cup holders on the side. Not that big, but it's there. Here's the interior. Little pockets. Seats fold down. We got the all-weather floor mats. More cup holders. Little pocket storage. Let me show you the trunk. Decent size. Or fit 2 good sized luggage in there. Center exit exhaust. It's funny how Ford doesn't have gas caps. I guess we got the smart unlock or sensor. Turn signals on the mirrors. Fog lights. Stock wheels come with 2, 35, 40, 18s. It's a front wheel drive car. ST badge. It's pretty clean. Here are the ST door sills. I don't know what else to say about the car. I do want to test drive it though, but I don't have a camera mount, so we'll see. I don't know how well that's gonna stay, but let's go. Brakes are like freaking hard. You just step on it and just wants to like slam. It's first gear pull. First and second. It moves. It's a lot of torque. Wish you guys could kind of like get a better angle, but that's the best I can do with the camera. Looks like it tops out at like 15 psi, 14. car. For 20 grand, it's not bad. My coworker has a Fiesta ST. I'm gonna do a video on that also. Compare it. I would say it's a nice daily. Let's get a little exhaust sound. Alright, so 2.0 liter turbo, 4-cylinder. So I've got the little filter right here. The battery in here, I guess. Pretty compact, but room for mods.